Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm gonna be doing a quick unboxing of my newest watch. This literally just arrived through DHL and it is the new Formex Reef GMT. So I think I will just do an unboxing video for this one, and then I'll follow up with a full-on review video maybe in a few weeks after wearing it for a bit. So yeah, this is my first Formex watch, so I actually ordered the dive bezel as well for the GMT watch, because I think the timing bezel would be more useful for me than being able to time a third time zone. So I'll be swapping the GMT bezel into this. So yeah, I think like this channel, I mean, most of my watch, well, all of my watch are non-circular shape. So finding a dive watch with a spinning, rotating bezel is pretty hard in a non-circular watch. But when this came out, it did pique my interest. Although it didn't have a display case back, and I did want a watch with a display case back. So when the GMT came out, I pulled the trigger. So yeah, this is what it comes in. Let's see, owner's handbook. I think that's the owner. So this book, I think, is, I'm not sure if it's like specific to the GMT model. Oh yeah, it is. So yeah, that's quite nice. Certificate of authenticity. Some of the models. It's COS certified, so it comes with a certificate from COS. Let's see. Yeah. Oh, that's quite nice. It's my first COS certified chronometer watch. Comes with a small little tool. Although I think like the clamped thing from Formex is almost like completely toolless. So I'm not sure why I need this. But it's quite nice. I just want to check if it's like Formex branded or not. I'll figure this out later. Okay. So the box itself is pretty simple. And then the inner protective leather. Alright. This is pretty nice. So I went with the Batman. I think it is the more expensive models among the ones available. It looks like it's already running. And I went with the classic bracelet. I didn't go for the new mesh bracelet. I think this looks a little better. Okay, it comes with a cloth and some extra links. Oh, I guess that makes sense. That tool maybe is more for the actual links. All right. Pillow. Okay. So yeah, it's a pretty hefty watch. Got the GMT. Okay, so let me unscrew the crown. Okay, it's a pretty obvious pop. And let's wind this up. Okay. That's the display case back with some of the blue screws. Okay, so let me try out this bezel. Okay. So this is the ceramic bezel. I think with the GMT bezel is bidirectional 48 clicks. And then if you put the timing bezel, it's 120 clicks, but it's still bidirectional, which is still kind of nice because like I never go diving. I don't think I will go diving, and the bidirectional just makes me set to the minute hand much faster. Let me just screw this back in. Alright, let's see how easy it is with the gloves. I don't think it's that easy with gloves. So let me just get back to this. Okay, so I got this changed out to the diving bezel with still the GMT. So yeah, it's a very nice looking watch. It's kind of got this fusion between like a Rolex Yachtmaster with the bezel design, bidirectional, and then like a porthole design in the case shape, like a Nautilus. It's pretty thin. I think it's like 11 point something millimeter, 300 meter, water resistant, with the date, GMT function, and a see-through case back. I got this fitted to my wrist. My wrist is 7.5 inch, 19 centimeters. So yeah, I'm gonna be just checking out this watch for the next week or two, and then I'll probably do like a full-on review afterwards. Oh, by the way, it was still kind of difficult to remove the bezel even without the gloves, so I had to use one of these plastic thing to remove it. This is the GMT bezel. I think this is loomed as well. 48 clicks. This is the tool that I came with. It's just a flathead screwdriver. I didn't see any branding from Formex. But yeah, I think this is just to actually do the links. Alright, so thank you. Stay tuned for the review. Thanks.